Is your toilet running? Most of the time it's a simple fix. Today I'm going to show you a few things you can check on your own. Hi, I'm Nate from Eco Plumbers, Electricians and HVAC Technicians, and today we're going to talk about toilets. I go to toilet calls almost every day where homeowners could have fixed the problem themselves if they had known what they were looking for. Today, I'm going to show you. Typically, there's two main things that could be going wrong if your toilet is constantly running. So what you'll want to do is you want to take the lid off here. This device over to your left here is called your fill valve. It has a hose that comes around and goes into your flush valve right here. If there's water running from this flush valve here, we know that the fill valve is the problem. If there isn't any water going through this flush valve hose here, the fill valve is working fine and is not allowing water to come into the system. There has to be a problem with the flapper. And that's what this is here that's attached to the toilet handle. A simple way to know if that's a problem or not is using what's called a leak tablet that you can get from any home goods store. You'll put one tablet on the left side, one tablet on the right side. You'll step away from the toilet, let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. When you come back to the toilet, you'll open up the bowl, and if there is blue or whatever the dye tablet color is, then you know that there's a leak either from the flapper or the flush valve seal. If it is the flapper, pretty much anyone can replace those. It's easy to just pull off and then put back on and reattach the chain. When it's the fill valve, that can be a little bit more complicated depending on your comfort level. The biggest thing I advise you to take a look at before you dive into a fill valve replacement is to make sure that the emergency stop is working to the water supply. If you do the fill valve replacement on your own, the instructions on the box are pretty straightforward. If you are not comfortable doing it, or you want to make sure that it's done the proper way, go ahead and call a professional to get you guys taken care of. Hopefully this video helped you understand your home's plumbing system better. For more information, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.